Good afternoon, class.
No, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Daksh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, we did do revision on new chapter. 6
Ma'am, we have
chapter
started new chapter 6, and you start explaining.
confirming.
Yes, we'll be doing the chapter beta that we started in the previous class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Let everyone come in.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, today we will complete that chapter.
Let us see how much we've complete.
Because ma'am, we have a period tomorrow also. Suspend the class.
ma'am, today, ma'am, mic voice is, ma'am, low.
My?
No,
Mic
it
voice.
is-
No.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon.
it is perfect.
Okay. Sanya,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, beta. Satvik Gupta, can we have your camera open?
Ma'am, the camera is not working.
What happened to the camera?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, what is happening. Ma'am, I'm fed up with my camera, ma'am. I don't know.
Why are you crying, Satvik?
The big students not cry.
Really?
Who says that?
Is it a clause? Is it a compulsory condition? Huh?
Which Mahapurush said that?
Because
Yes. Who says this here?
Daksh.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in ma'am, emergency, ma'am, in. Ma'am, I just think, not ma'am.
Okay. What do you think?
Ki big students not cry.
It is not said big student. It is said big boys generally don't cry. But then big or small, everyone feels hurt, no? If something goes wrong, isn't it?
At every
Ma'am,
age,
it's just not boys, it's girls too.
No, exactly. At any point of time, we can feel, bad about things. We can feel hurted. So it is very human to, show your emotions, isn't it?
it's not.
Ma'am, emotions, ma'am, I show in personal.
And I'm seeing from the first period, Satvik was not able to open his camera.
See, I have proof. I have proof. This
Yes, I
happened
know.
with me 2 weeks ago, and that was for first, second, third period. But I was lucky. I fixed it. I'm fed up of my camera. Sometimes it gets on, sometimes it gets off. Ma'am, I don't know what is the panda of this webcam.
We will take you that your camera is only open.
Satvik, you don't have any other device with you right now? Ma'am, you just sent a request to me for start my video, right?
अरे वो गलती से प्रेस हो गया बच्चा, गलती से हो गया था.
Okay.
I know. We are discussing that only. Why will I tell you to open?
Ma'am, but still, when I clicked on start video, it is coming a notification. You cannot start your video.
And nothing else.
Ma'am, I express emotions in person.
Satvik, you can do like meeting settings, and there you can see if your options is there. Keep your camera off or on. If you have keep it
I know that,
off, so the camera will not open.
Sanya, I know that. And my
Satvik,
camera
rejoin.
setting is set on integrated webcam. Thank you.
You can rejoin.
What do you think? I have not rejoined any of my class?
Then also it will not work, beta. Don't worry. Don't
No,
worry.
ma'am.
I know.
Satvik,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Satvik, just cry, nothing will going to happen.
Okay. How is everyone doing? Good?
Ma'am,
Great.
ma'am, life is good.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
I'm very good. Life is treating us good. So we are all good and fine, right? So without wasting, very good. Safe and healthy, right? That's really, really good. So without wasting time, let us start with the reading part. Can we have Amisha opening the camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is coming slow.
No. Is it so?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's fine.
Ma'am, it is very clear.
Because it is fine.
Next voice is more loud.
Ma'am, today what we will do? Reading.
Daksh is speaking very loudly.
Dhare did not go to school today, Dhare?
No, ma'am, because my mother said that today.
Ma'am,
are you in school?
Okay.
Ma'am, are you in school?
No, Rishit, I am not in school, bacha. I am at home only.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am,
What we are going to do today?
We are going to start reading of the chapter that I started the other day, no? With you people. Amisha is looking so sweet, no? With the headphones on her head. Okay. It is good to see you people sometimes. You people are always without cameras open in the class. Okay. I hope you all have the books with you.
today is the school open?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. So all those who want to read, they need to keep the cameras open, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because I also love reading, so I have opened my camera so that I can also read. Okay.
What happened?
Nothing. Okay. Shall we start? I think we have done. We have started the reading. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. In offline
Yes,
mode, we
ma'am.
have started from the starting.
And in the online mode? In the online mode?
We have to start with
Ma'am, we
fresh
have
water.
started, and you, ma'am, explained fresh water and ma'am, salt water.
Fine. So today what we will do, we will have in today's class only the reading part, and tomorrow class we'll utilize for the explanation part. Will that be fine, class?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, but tomorrow there is not geography period.
Beta,
Excuse me,
yesterday,
ma'am.
listen. Yesterday you had a class, but that class was suspended, right?
Okay, ma'am. Tomorrow it's 5th period.
Tomorrow
So
is Friday,
yesterday's
5th
class-
period.
Yesterday's class in place of, it will be taken tomorrow, right? In place of Wednesday that we didn't have.
And ma'am, you said that we have to find which cold current moves near Sahara Desert.
Yes, that was in the offline mode, no? Which current
Ma'am,
move?
what?
Ma'am, which code?
Okay, those who were there in the offline class, no, don't tell anything because I'll be asking the same questions here again. Right, Dhare?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So,
Ma'am, which teachers are in school?
beta, actually,
Yes, ma'am.
every day you have 3 subjects, right? Like the day, I think Tuesday, I took geography with 7. Then I think Riti ma'am was there for Hindi. And
Yes, ma'am.
and who else was there, bacha? Shalini ma'am.
Gagan sir, what?
Today Gagan sir will be taking the classes, no? Offline.
Kavan, sir.
Chalo.
Okay, because there is civics and that is
Tomorrow, ma'am, from 7B class.
Okay. Let us have Yes, beta.
Ma'am, only
Ma'am, your voice was disconnected.
Yes, Punitha, start reading Fresh Water.
Yes, ma'am.
Fresh Water, page 137, you have to read from.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, between your voice was disconnected.
Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Fresh water. Water that contains very little salts is called fresh water. Although about 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water, very little of it is fresh. About 97% of the Earth's water is in oceans and seas. This is salty water and is not suitable for human consumption.
Human consumption.
For human consumption, the remaining 3% is fresh water. Out of this, 2% is in the form of ice caps and glaciers, which cannot be reached by us. Thus, only 1% of the Earth's water is easily available and fit for human use. It is found as surface water in rivers and lakes, as groundwater, and as water vapor in the atmosphere.
Okay. If I ask you 3-4 questions from this paragraph, all will not be answering collectively. I will call the name of the child who is going to answer, right? So,
okay, ma'am.
Let me have Pranvi answering this question. Can you define, yes, Pranvi, can you define fresh water?
Ma'am, fresh water is then the water that contains little dissolved salt and no
is called fresh water. Is called fresh water, right? Very good. How much? Okay, can we have Kavya answering this question?
Yes, ma'am.
How much of water?
Fresh water is the water.
Wait. Listen to the question, bacha. Listen to the question. How much of the Earth's surface is covered by water?
Ma'am, please repeat.
How much of the Earth's surface is covered by water?
78.
Ma'am, 72.
You look into the paragraph and answer your question as per the paragraph. I'm asking from the paragraph, no?
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am, can I tell I'm Daksh?
Okay. Yes, Zahra?
Yeah, to raise the
97%.
Nahi, beta, you have to take help of the book.
97%.
71%.
Can we have Riya answering this question, taking the help of the paragraph?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Riya. Yes, Riya.
About 3/4 of the Earth is covered with of the Earth's surface is covered with water.
Yes, very good. Kavya, got it?
Ma'am, 97% is the answer.
Arey, Daksh, nahi beta. What I am asking is, look at the paragraph. Please read between the lines. The way the question is asked, you need to answer that way only. Got it?
3/4, the second line of the paragraph.
Now third question. Vrinda will answer this question. About what % of Earth is covered with oceans and seas? It is 97% of the water that we have on the surface of Earth is in the form of ocean and.
Ma'am, what you were saying to me, ma'am, because in between, ma'am, your voice was not coming.
अभी बाद में बात करेंगे बच्चा, ठीक है? Recording सुन लीजिएगा. Now next question is for Dhairyapal.
Ma'am, what
Dhairyapal
you were saying to me because your voice was not coming.
Daksh, later on we'll talk, okay? Dhairya, you have to tell whether the statement is true or false, right? Dhairya, am I audible to you?
Ma'am, what you are saying to me, your voice was not coming.
Daksh, I am saying I will talk to you later on. हाँ जी बताओ. Dhairya, can you hear me? Shreyansh, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay. Now my question is, you have to tell whether it is true or false, right? If I say that The saline water is suitable for human consumption. Is it true or false? Those who know the answer, they can write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, may you repeat the question?
Question is, say whether it is true or false. The saline water is suitable for human consumption. Very good. Okay. Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Daksh beta.
Saline water is salt.
Yes, salty water.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. All have given correct answer. It is false. Saline water is not suitable for human consumption. Very good. Very good, class. Next
we will
question.
just purify it and then it is for drinking.
Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, if we will purify it, then it is, ma'am, fit for drinking.
But right now, whatever is asked, you will go as per the statement, no, beta?
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, if the question can come that fresh water is suitable for drinking, so we write true.
Yes, then you will write true, obviously. And if I say that the saline water is not fit for human consumption, then also you will write true.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? See, statements for true false can come in any form, right? Any way it can be given, right? Next is, what % of water present on the earth is fresh? Yes, Vaibhav.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, can we have Prakash answering this question, Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan ji.
Ma'am, only 3% of fresh water is fresh water present on Earth, out of which 2% is in form of glaciers and ice caps. We cannot be.
Fine. The question was, what % of water present on Earth is fresh? So it is just 3%, right?
Okay.
Right? Very good. My next question to Hassanur Rahman.
Okay, ma'am.
Hassan, your question is, what % of Earth's water is easily available and is fit for human use?
1% of water.
Okay. Rivers and lakes, they act as dash water.
Fresh water.
No.
Can I?
Yes,
water.
Surface water.
Ground water.
Surface water.
Ma'am, according to the book, ma'am, it is groundwater.
Sorry.
No, it is written surface water.
Groundwater.
Say ground.
It is
I say
groundwater. He's correct. I was wrong. Correct. Okay.
Ma'am, but
how water is present in the atmosphere? How water is present in the atmosphere? Yes, Sarthak.
Ma'am, can I?
Sarthak.
by evaporation.
How, in which form it is available?
Water vapor.
Very good. Water vapor. Chaliye. Can we have Vrinda reading saline water? And after
Ma'am.
Yes, Vrinda.
Fine, because you know that I don't know the answer, so you will give me the chance.
For what? For reading?
Not for answering.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question again?
Which question, beta?
Ma'am, that we asked.
Repeat.
I asked Sarthak that how water is present in the atmosphere.
I am asking, I'm Daksh.
आपने बोला मैम प्लीज रिपीट द क्वेश्चन. आई सेड द वन व्हिच आई आस्क्ड टू सार्थक. चलो वृंदा स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, if rivers and ma'am, Arshia.
Okay, yes, Arshia.
Ma'am, if rivers and lakes are groundwater, so what is surface water?
No. They are saying that the rivers and the lakes, they work as groundwater, क्योंकि जो पानी उनके अंदर होता है वो over a period of time वो seep कर जाता है ना inside the ground.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा देखो, you people confused me, no? I also got confused.
You were right.
I was right. They are saying that in the atmosphere, in the form of groundwater and in the form of water vapor, it is present in the atmosphere.
They're giving examples.
It is given, no? Yes. Fine. Chalo, Arshia.
Yes, ma'am.
Who has to read? Vrinda has to read or Arshia?
Vrinda.
Vrinda, read, beta.
Ma'am, Vrinda.
Saline water. Water containing a large amount of dissolved salts is called saline water. The oceans and seas have saline water. There are various types of salts dissolved in ocean water, but sodium chloride, a common salt, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, and calcium chloride are two main names. And the amount of salt in the ocean water is salinity. The salinity of ocean water is on an average 25% per thousand. This means that in 100,000 grams of ocean water, there are 35 grams of dissolved salts. Salinity of ocean water is, however, not the same as all places. This depends on the following factors: rate of the evaporation, amount of precipitation, amount of fresh water that is added to the ocean.
Okay. Next, can we have Pranvi reading?
Yes.
Temperature of ocean water.
Temperature of ocean water. The temperature of ocean water is not the same everywhere and at all times of the year. Oceans are the warmest near the equator and become cooler towards the poles. The differences between the summer and winter temperature of the oceans are greater in the northern hemisphere than in the southern hemisphere, due to the vast expanse of water in the southern hemisphere.
Okay, can you see this map? Continents, oceans, and major seas of the earth. Page 136.
Yes, ma'am.
Mark, ma'am, this we have to, ma'am, made in our notes.
You have to, yes, you have to mark all these given on the page in your notebook.
In which map, ma'am?
What you have to mark?
Beta, world map. North America, Mediterranean Sea, Atlantic Ocean, South America, Pacific Ocean, Arctic, Europe, Sea.
Ma'am, you have to paste it in the notebook.
Yes, map work you will be doing and paste in the
Ma'am,
notebook.
the latitudes also. Ma'am, the latitudes also.
No, not the latitudes, Misha. Only the continents, oceans, and major seas on the earth, right?
Ma'am, we can use any color. Ma'am.
Except for sketch colors and watercolors.
Okay, ma'am.
Where are we supposed to mark things?
You are supposed to mark this on the world physical map, Riya. You'll get this in the, from the market, you will get it, world physical map. And you need to show South America, North America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, Southern Ocean, Antarctica, Arctic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, South Sea, Arabian Sea. Then you need to show, right?
Okay, so at this moment, I don't have a, physical map. So what do I do?
You can tell your father to get it for you, and the evening you can do it, right?
Okay.
Fine. Chalo. Can we have Zehra reading now? Find out.
Okay, ma'am.
Page 138. Acha, Zehra, wait. I told Amisha to read after Vrinda, no? Okay, Amisha, you read, then Zehra will read, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Importance of oceans. The oceans are useful to us in a number of ways. Oceans are the prime source of humidity and precipitation. They moderate the climate of the coastal regions. Marine life found in the ocean waters provides a source of livelihood to many people. Salts dissolved in the ocean water and mineral deposits on the ocean floor are economically important to us. Oceanic waves and tides can be harnessed to generate electricity. Oceans serve as a means of transport.
Fine. So when do we celebrate World Water Day? Do you know?
On 22nd March.
Very good. On 22nd March.
Ma'am, this is the question
Ma'am,
of
I know
science.
because that day it's my brother's birthday, so he told me once.
Okay, that's so good. And you know, this initiative is yes, beta.
Janta Curfew Day.
Yes, Kavya, I didn't hear you. What did you say?
I'm saying that it can also be said as Janta Curfew Day.
Why?
Ma'am, because on that day, previous year,
Ma'am,
it
on that
was
day, Janata Curfew
Yes, ma'am,
happened.
that day only we did that
Okay,
Taliban
lockdown,
also.
lockdown.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2nd of March 2020.
20.
20. How can you forget?
Yes, Prakar. What did you say, bacha?
Ma'am.
Yes, Daksh.
Ma'am, in our pull-out worksheet of science, it is the question given that when the World Water Day is celebrated.
Okay, that is why you remember. Very good. Chaliye. Can we have Zehra reading now?
Okay, ma'am.
There is a question. Listen, class. Wait. There is a question in the green box. Identify the device which is used to measure humidity. So who will tell the answer? Hassan will tell.
Can I tell?
No.
Yes, Weber. Let Weber
Ma'am,
tell.
hygrometer. Ma'am, hygrometer.
Very good.
Hygrometer.
Very good. Hygrometer is the device which is used to measure humidity. Very good, beta. Very good.
Humidity.
The question can come in an exam.
Of course, that is why we are doing all these things. Circulation of ocean water. Zehra.
Okay, ma'am. Circulation of ocean water. The water of the ocean are constantly in motion. They move horizontally as well as vertically. The movements of ocean water are of two types, waves and currents. These movements are caused due to the following factors. Differences in temperature of seawater, prevailing winds.
Okay. Can we have Arshia reading waves?
Waves. Waves are the alternate up and down movement of water particles caused by the winds. When blowing winds disturb the surface of water, waves are produced. Particles of water are pushed down by the wind and they come up again. This up and down movement is passed from one particle to another and is visible as a wave. The wave travels in the direction of the wind. It is actually the motion that is transported. The water particles do not travel. The upper part of a wave is called crest and the lower part is called, ma'am, what do we call it? Trough. The vertical distance between the crest and the trough is called wave height, and the horizontal distance between two crests or two troughs is called wavelength.
Can you see the diagram in the book on page 138? Movement of waves?
Yes, ma'am.
This we have to draw in our notebook.
Yes, you need to draw this in your notebook.
Ma'am, Daksh can read your mind.
He's actually concerned about only the work. He is not concerned about the, understanding wala thing. He just wants, acha, ye wala kaam karna hai, wo wala kaam karna hai. That is it. Though I wanted to explain this diagram, and I thought after explaining, I'll tell you that draw this in the notebook. But then he directly said that we have to draw this in the notebook.
Ma'am, I think he can read your mind. That's why he can say.
He knows in geography I give lot of diagrams, no lot of map. That is why. But it is good.
You realize you give lot of diagrams.
Yes, of course. Diagrams are very important in geography. Because without the help of the diagrams, it is difficult to understand the,
science only.
Just like science, exactly. It's like science. Yes.
Ma'am, what do we have to draw?
Beta, you have to draw the movements of waves given on page 138 below the paragraph of waves and above the last paragraph.
The only difference is science diagrams are difficult than geography diagrams.
No, they are not. I feel they are somewhat similar. Not so difficult.
Ma'am, I don't think so.
I'm like in geography,
because the
arrows.
Diagrams of body parts.
That is, of course, a human body diagram is little difficult. Even the eye diagram, the ear diagram.
Ma'am, I remember I made once a heart, and that was I spent my 2 hours for making it.
And I think every child does this mistake. Whenever the teacher tells the child to draw a heart, they simply draw that heart which generally we use.
No, ma'am, it was there in a book and it was so tricky. I was like, from where did that heart came?
I know that. I am talking about when you are not shown the diagram of heart and you are told draw the diagram without looking at it. The first thing that comes to your mind is that emoji of the heart, right? Right? And like when we were in school, I still remember my teacher told me to draw the diagram of heart. If I knew, she started with the topic and I was like, Daksh, very curious to tell that I know how to draw heart. So I told my ma'am, I would like to draw it. She said, okay, come closer to the board and draw it. And when I drew it, everybody was laughing and she was like, Bacha, this is not the diagram that I want you to draw. Then she showed me the picture. This is the diagram that you have to draw in the notebook. I was like, my God, ma'am, it is so difficult. But then she said, this is the actual diagram of heart. Only what you people draw, that is...
Ma'am, but in physics, the diagrams are very easy.
Yes,
actually, that emoji heart is the fact that in old days, they used to combine 2 hearts of real, and when they combine it, it combines like this. So that's why this became.
That is right. Exactly. I know, beta.
Ma'am, it would be much more easier if we could just draw that normal emoji heart.
But it is also not very difficult. Once you have practiced it, it is easy to draw.
Yes, ma'am. After that, it was like
we have to connect all the veins.
Yes, exactly. The best thing is that once you know how to draw these veins wala thing and the connection between them, it is then.
In bio, the diagrams are very messed up.
Yes, Arshia.
But in other physics, chemistry.
Concept of physics are difficult at JEE level.
Physics is like some maths topic.
They are like maths. If you are good at maths, you can do your physics, numericals and everything.
Chemistry is also very
is physics.
Yes, Ria has interest in which subject? Physics, chemistry, bio, or geography?
Maths.
That's really very good. So you are good at physics as well, I believe?
Yes.
Very good. That's really very
Ma'am,
good.
I like physics and chemistry, but I don't like biology.
Really?
Ma'am, I like only chemistry. Formulas.
That's very
Ma'am,
nice.
I like formulas.
Okay, formulas.
I don't like physics and math.
Physics and biology.
Okay. Chalo, that's
Ma'am, I like physics and
I like maths. Still, it is easy for me.
I know. Till the time you are able to solve the problems correctly, it is very interesting. And the moment you start facing problems, then you feel this is not good. I am not going to do it, right?
Ma'am, some part of geometry also come in physics.
But geometry is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Geometry is very easy. And
the easiest is probability in
Yes.
Our maths book.
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever a chapter related to geometry comes, it is of the whole chapter is of only 11 or 10 questions.
Ma'am, will there be holidays
Yes,
this
ma'am.
month?
Okay.
Ma'am, next month?
And probability in 11th and 12th shows it colors.
Yes. Actually, what we feel is very easy at the, lower grades that we are in. But when you go to the higher classes, the real come.
Ma'am, in
This
6th I
diagram
told
we
that
came.
algebra is easy, and in 7th I realized that algebra is the
difficult one, huh?
Ma'am, from
Yes,
diagram
ma'am.
where we came,
When
ma'am,
I
we
was
are just
small,
talking about
whenever
All is
algebra.
easy,
I
but the
heard a square,
practice
b
makes
square,
more perfect.
I thought that it is very difficult and it will come in 9th.
Yes, chalo, ठीक है. Let us come back to the reading part. Can we have Hassan reading now?
Okay, ma'am.
Next read.
Okay, next Kavya will read. Chalo, Hassan.
Actually, I forgot from where you have to read.
Last paragraph of page 138.
Okay, ma'am. The shape and height of the wave depend on the speed of wind. A light breeze produces gentle waves, while violent and stormy winds create huge waves, which often cause widespread destruction. Tsunami. The term tsunami comes from the Japanese words Su means harbor and Nami meaning wave. Traditionally, tsunami is referred to as a huge tidal wave. Tsunamis are caused by earthquakes, both on land and underwater, volcanic eruption on the ocean floor, and underwater explosions and landslides. As these waves approach the coast, they build up in height and upon striking the land cause massive destruction. Tides. Tides
Wait. Now, can we have Kavi reading? Tides?
Yes, ma'am.
Tides.
Tides are the periodic rise and fall of water level in the sea, which occur at regular intervals twice a day. When the levels of sea water rises, it is high tide, and when the level falls, it is low tide. Tides are caused by gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. The moon exerts a larger gravitational pull than the sun, even though it is smaller in size. This is because the distance between the Earth and the moon is less compared to that between the Earth and the sun. The height of tides is not the same every day of the month. It depends on the relative position of the moon and the sun with respect to the Earth. During the full moon, known as Purnima in India, and the new moon, known as Amavasya in India, the Earth, moon, and sun are the same straight line. The moon and the sun exert their combined gravitational pull in the same direction, resulting in extra high tides. These are known as spring tides. In the first and third quarters of the moon, the sun and the moon are at right angles with respect to the Earth. They nullify with each other's gravitational pull, resulting in very low tides known as neap tides. Importance of tides. Tides are useful to us in these ways. During high tide, when the water level near the coast rises, big ships can easily enter or leave harbors. The Kandla Fort in Gujarat is a good example of a tidal fort.
Kavya, the Kandla Port in Gujarat.
Kandla Port in Gujarat is a good example of tidal fort. Tidal waters wash away the silt deposit from the mouth of big rivers and keep them open for vessels. Tides help in fishing too. During high tide, when the water level rises more, fish come near the shore. Tidal energy can be harnessed to generate electricity. Tidal power stations have been set up in Canada, Japan, and France. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are streams of ocean water continuously flowing in definite directions. They are caused by action of planetary winds on the surface of oceans and differences in the temperature, salinity, and density of waters. The rotation of the Earth and the shapes of coastlines control the movement of ocean currents and
modify their courses.
Okay, full stop. Wait. Anytime the meeting is going to end. So tomorrow, whatever we have read, read it again.